Hello, welcome to how to grow cucumbers from seed. The first step, although it's stating the obvious, is to buy some seeds. On the rear of the packet it shows growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a pot with compost. The first thing to do is put a little bit of newspaper in the bottom. This stops the compost washing out when you water the plants. Water the compost and then use your thumb or a stick to make a hole in the centre. Step 3. Plant the seed in the hole, then cover with compost and gently press down. Put a label, as weeks later you can forget what you've planted. Step 4. Within 2 weeks the seeds should start to germinate. Step 5. Keep warm and watered and keep in a bright place. Do not overwater, else the stems can rot. Step 6. When the plants have a couple of sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into a bigger pot. Fit a piece of newspaper. This stops the compost washing out when watered. Then fill the pot full of compost. Make a hole in the compost the same size as the plant and then carefully transplant into the hole. Gently press around the roots. Finally, give the pot a good watering. Step 7. Fit supports for the plant to grow. I'm growing these plants in my greenhouse, and I've also grown some plants outside which I'll show you later. The cane supports allow the plant to climb up the canes and support the heavy fruit. Step 8. As the plant gets taller, tie string around the canes for it to support itself. Step 9. After a few weeks, the first flowers will appear. Step 10. As the flowers die back, cucumbers will start to grow. Step 11. As the cucumbers reach full size, cut them from the plant. This will encourage more to grow. Step 12. If you haven't got a greenhouse, then you can grow the plants outside. These seeds were planted at the same time as the plants in the greenhouse, and I got the first cucumbers from these 17 days after I got the first ones from the plants in the greenhouse. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.